You're both 13. Are you twins?
Yeah.
These are your parents with you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That'd be weird if it wasn't. Stand up on the efforts, not
He's 1 minute older.
He's 1 minute older. Does that bother you?
Yes.
Yeah, of course, right? He's always gonna hold that shit over your head. Have you guys been to New York before?
No.
This is your first time?
Well, yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, that's me, jackass. Think I came out 1 minute early by making mistakes? No. What else did you do? Try a little cocaine?
How'd you know?
This is great. People